Bonjour mes élèves, it's Madame Torres, your French 2 teacher. So I am making this video because I had to make a little change to this week's lessons, and I want to make sure that you get everything you need to be successful in completing your final exam. So normally we have our Class Connect sessions on Thursdays and Fridays, and I've also started to include Wednesdays for an hour from 11:30 to 12:30 as some extra tutoring. But this week is going to be just a little bit different. Thursday, I will actually not be hosting your Class Connect session. So instead, I'm highly encouraging you to come to class on Wednesday and Friday. This week also, everything is due. Your final exam is due, and you have 4 parts to that, like I let you guys know last week in our Class Connect sessions. If you have not watched that video, please go in and watch the recording from last week. But you have a multiple choice vocabulary and grammar section that I gave you a review handout to go over. So if you don't have that, please email me. You have a listening and reading comprehension section to complete, and then you have a writing and a speaking portion of this exam. So what I'm doing today is making a video to help you do the writing and speaking portions of the exam. And what I would like you to do is actually have those completed before Friday. That way, if you have any questions or need any help, I can help you work on these in class on Friday. So this semester, you learned a couple different verb tenses. And part of your final is going to be going over subjunctive verb tense. The other part is going over imperfect and then conditional. So let's look first at the writing part, and then we'll go over the speaking part. For the writing part, you are answering this question. Si tu pouvais prendre les vacances de tes rêves, où irais-tu? Qui irait avec toi? Quand est-ce que tu partirais? Comment est-ce que tu voyagerais? Utilise l'imparfait et le conditionnel quand c'est nécessaire. So, they're saying if you could take a trip to go on vacation, the vacation of your dreams, where would you go? So this is the conditional tense. I would, I could, I should. If you're having trouble remembering that, here, I'll help you right now. Let's see, the best thing oftentimes is here we go. Yeah. Conditional and imperfect. And these are the 2 tenses you would be using. So obviously there's an ad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this video link for you in a safe share. I'm going to also include it with this video link. So the conditional is if I could, I would, and then imperfect is what you would do in the past tense. So I'm going to write a little sample of maybe something that I could say I would do, and then I want you to use it as a little guide to help you complete your own writing example. Now, a couple of the instructions just to keep in mind, 9 to 10 phrases, complete sentences, answering all these questions. And of course, there's a scoring guide down here, right? Like your rubric. And I would always encourage you to open this up and read through to see what it is you want to make sure you include. So your writing should be organized. That also includes punctuation. Make sure that you're using periods where you're supposed to, and you have complete sentences so I can understand what you're saying. And you're using the correct verb tenses. So here we go. Si je pouvais prendre les vacances de mes rêves. If you see, I'm basically taking what is in the question and forming my answer from it. I'm just changing it into the je form, which the ending happens to be the same. I need accent marks. So to do accent marks, I go to this website, french.typeit.org. It's a wonderful website. You just click on what you need, then you can highlight it and paste it into the page. Voilà. So, si je pouvais prendre les vacances de mes rêves, of my dreams, j'irais au Vietnam. There we go. I'm telling you where I would go. That's the first question. Who would go with me? Mes amis et ma famille iront avec moi. And notice I say iront and not irait, because irait indicates one person who would go, and I'm saying multiple people would go with me. Now, the next question is, when would you go? Je partirai en décembre. And then they ask, how would you travel? Je voyagerai en avion et après en bus et voiture. So I answered all the questions here, but it needs 9 to 10 phrases. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4, right? So I need to add some more in here. Maybe I can say add some more information, like, okay, I would go to Vietnam. I could talk about why I want to go to Vietnam, right? Je voudrais aller au Vietnam parce que blah, blah, blah. Then I could actually say why I would go in December, right? J'irai en décembre. Oops. Parce que, and I can talk about the weather, blah, blah, blah. How I would go, and then I can say what I would do. Je visiterai les monuments et les animaux, you know, and this is a chance for you to really get more creative, and that's what all those extra questions are for. So that's a little idea of how you would do the final writing part. Now, of course, if you want me to check this before you turn it in, just email it to me. And then the speaking portion. So this is a different verb tense what we're doing. Here it says, avec un minimum de 8 phrases complètes, donne des conseils à ton ami sur ce qu'il faut faire pour être accepté dans une bonne université. Par exemple, il faut que tu, je recommande que tu, il est important de, and you record your response. So this, whenever we're saying, well, I'll explain this first. With at least 8 sentences, you're giving your friend advice on what they need to do to be accepted into a good university. And here we're using the subjunctive. You should, I recommend that you do this, it's important that you do that. And I will provide for you this video that goes over what the subjunctive is, how to use it in sentences, and so on. Okay? Again, it's at least 8 phrases, and for this, you can write them, you can email it to me, but please email it to me before Thursday, and I will record myself saying it so you can practice along with it and work on your pronunciation. So that's what I have for you for now. Remember, Wednesday, tomorrow from 11:30 to 12:30, we have Class Connect, so please come, bring any questions you have for the final. And then on Friday from 12 to 12:30 p.m. again, some review.